Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create custom audience for Facebook ads in 2023. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So I am on my page right now and this is one of the reels which I put on my page. Now let's say if I want to boost this post, so all you have to do is click on boost post and it will take us to create ad. Now, what you have to do is what results would you like to get from this ad? So we will go ahead and change this one first. So I want more video views. So I will go ahead and click on get more video views and click save. And now, as you can see, there is a section of audience over here. So who can see this ad? So by default, it will take your location, but I will go ahead and change it. Now, let's say if you want to target only women, so simply click on women, and let's say if you want to have a target audience of 29 to 40 years, maybe if it's a beauty channel or a beauty video, you can use this for women. And for example, if you want to target any specific location, let's take an example. If you want to target Miami, so we'll click on Miami, Florida, US, and as you can see, it has pinpointed Miami over here. You can increase or decrease as per you want. Let's say if you want to focus only these three areas, then you will decrease the circle over here. Now if we go down, there's also option of detailed targeting which we won't be doing. Now we will go ahead and save the audience. Now it will roughly tell us in 7 days how much accounts would be reached per day and how many video views you will be getting. So on an average, if I start this Facebook ad, I will be getting like 77 video views, anywhere between 77 to 224 video views, and I will be spending close to $10 over here in the span of 10 days. If you want to get more video views, you need to increase the budget over here. Now let's take an example like this. I keep it to 500 dirhams. Depending on the country, there is also estimated VAT. So in UAE, it's 5%. So that's why it's coming 25. If you are in a country with no VAT or tax, then it won't be showing over here. So if I spend around 500 dirham, which roughly comes to $130 in 7 days, then I will be getting close to 1.1 to 3.2k views on my video, and this is the number of accounts reach. So this is how you can create a custom audience for Facebook ads. And still, in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.